Hey there trainers, Charles here, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to get the shiny Wo-Chien. So first you're going to open up your menu, you're going to connect to the internet using the L button. And you're just going to go to Poke Portal, and you're just going to hit Mystery Gift. And you're going to get it via the internet. And there it is. So we got a couple. So we're going to go and get the shiny Wo-Chien. And now the shiny Wo-Chien is going to be have a trainer name already. So it's going to be the trainer name Paldea, so you won't be the original trainer, unfortunately. There's a couple other things. So the grass Terra Shard gift. So we open that guy up. That is going to give us 100 grass Terra Shards, 100 bug Terra Shards, 100 poison Terra Shards, and 100 fairy Terra Shards. So yeah, that's it, and good luck getting your shiny.